What's going on, future entrepreneurs? I finally decided to come back, and today we're going to be talking about, as you can see from the thumbnail, from the title, we're talking about Pegasus. Pegasus is going down. Pegasus has disappeared. I guess you can call it a rug pull. They've been around for a while. It was one of those HYIPs, one of the sites that I thought was going to stay around longer than it did. But as of now, Pegasus is no longer available. And why have I been off for a while? I've been kind of trying to figure out this YouTube stuff. I've been trying to doing this and doing that, having other issues going on, and kind of stopped doing my videos for a while. But I will be back. I'm not going to be making as many videos as I was before, but I'm going to be making some type of content. It's probably not going to be daily. It may be like once a week, maybe a couple times a week, just talking about the programs that I'm still involved in. One of them was Pegasus. And as you can see right here, it's going to this screen. It's talking about Cloudflare. Let's just verify that. Pegasus, it's pretty much gonna go to a site that's kind of showing you the site is no longer working, that is no longer there. But I do remember when I was a part of the site, you started off with a small amount, and then they kind of increased it to this huge amount of money that I pretty much was not going to be upgrading to later on. I think I was. Let me stop talking like that. I think I was gonna upgrade to a little later on, but I was just gonna wait until this particular iteration that I was going through with 100 and some days was over, and then I was going to think about it if I had the money to add into it, which I don't right now. But as you can see right now, it's saying it's no longer working. Cloudflare is not working. The host has an error, so it's pretty much a gone site. There's nothing going on, nothing happening. But we still have the other sites, the other places that I'm involved in. This was a done deal. I was able to get my money back, so I'm actually glad I stayed in long enough for that. I think this just happened the last couple of weeks because I hadn't really been checking the site. The only site I've really been getting into was actually Novatech, because Novatech is one of the crypto sites that has been around for a couple of years. I did have a lot more promise with this site than the other ones. The other one was I was hoping Pegasus would stay around for a while, but as you can see, it did decide to disappear. So that's another one of the reasons why I stopped making the HYIP videos, is because those sites just come and they go, and some stay longer than others. And I thought that one would stay a little bit longer, but it seems like they're just not able to stay around as long as the other ones as well. So let me go ahead and go to my other browser, because this one sometimes, depending on what browser I'm in, it just doesn't open up. So let's go here, let's go there, and let's go to Novatech. I guess because this site I always log into, but yeah, I'm kind of back. Go ahead and show you guys what's going on Novatech. With my account, it kind of looks like everything is almost the same because I haven't really added anything different in it. It's going to show you, and I got to add in this code. And I don't think I have the what's called here, but that's okay. There we go. Okay, now it's showing the announcement you log in. This is what happens when they do have issues. If they have issues with deposits, if they have any other thing, this is one of the things that I do like about Novatech. If they're having something that's going on, they'll let you know as soon as you log in. It's going to show up just like this. And this is just at an issue of miscalculation of direct and indirect referral bonuses. We are unaware of the situation and have decided to pay the existing commissions this evening, and we'll follow up on Monday with the balances that may still need to be paid after we have determined the correct calculation. So it looks like there was something going on with the direct and indirect referral bonuses. I'm not sure if it was there on their end or someone else's end, but they are saying that they are going to pay those out, and then they're going to have to determine the correct calculations and I guess recoup that if that's what they need to do when it comes back around to it. I'm probably wrong on that, but just saying. I read that, then I can close it, press done. Then I come down here, and as you can see, I still have the $199 in the trading account, and in my bonus account, there's like $23. I didn't have to do anything. They're trading for me, so all they're doing is trading and putting the money in. Then they'll come back at the end of the at a certain point of the month, and they'll take off the fee that they charged me for trading for me until my account gets to a certain amount, and then those trading fees won't be as much. And this is just Novatech. Novatech's been around for a while. I hadn't really been promoting this much, but if you want to join, there'll probably be a link down in the description where you can join, or you can just click on this. Just go here, right here, passiveincometrucker.com/novatech.com. Go there and sign up. That's it. That's all. Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.